Welcome to our video exploring the fascinating world of Pokemon and their placement on the Tree of Life. Today, we take a closer look at Dragonite and its connection to Charizard. Ready? Let's go. Dragoran, Draconopterus pelagius, is a large-bodied, fully endothermic species belonging to the speculative order true dragons within the Archosaurs. The species is characterized by a unique combination of reptilian, avian, and marine traits. Owing to its advanced cognitive abilities, pronounced social structure, and amphibious lifestyle, Dragoran is considered one of the most highly derived representatives of the true dragons and is often regarded as the crown form of its family. The family Pelagidraconidae comprises large, warm-blooded dragon forms adapted to an amphibious existence and is clearly distinct from the more terrestrial, theropod-like members of the family Draconis, such as Charizard. The order true dragons likely evolved during the late Mesozoic from Archosaurian ancestors that inhabited both terrestrial and semi-aquatic environments. While the Draconis lineage followed a predominantly land-based, theropod-like evolutionary trajectory, the Pelagidraconidae developed toward a marine, warm-blooded body plan. The earliest representatives of the Pelagidraconidae display a combination of traits that indicate a transitional evolutionary stage between pterosaur-like flyers and marine archosaurs. These early forms possessed elongated and powerful pectoral musculature, bird-like wing bones rather than membranous flight structures, a streamlined body shape, and an elevated metabolic rate. Together, these characteristics point to an evolutionary niche that favored both long-distance flight and efficient swimming. Over time, the ancestors of Dragoran developed further specializations. Their bodies became increasingly hydrodynamic, resembling those of whales or ichthyosaurs. Scales were reduced and largely replaced by smooth, insulating skin, while high levels of endothermy allowed continued activity in cold ocean currents. In addition, lung capacity expanded significantly, enabling extended dives and prolonged underwater foraging. These adaptations ultimately supported a lifestyle that was both pelagic and coastal. Modern Dragoran represents a highly specialized culmination of this evolutionary pathway. It possesses strong, bird-like wings adapted for sustained long-distance flight, as well as a muscular tail that functions as an effective steering and stabilization organ in both air and water. The skull is large and rounded, accommodating a substantial brain volume, and the species exhibits a level of social intelligence comparable to that of dolphins or corvids. Within the order True Dragons, Dragoran occupies an ecological role similar to that of large whales or albatrosses, though uniquely combining this role with the ability of active, powered flight. Adult individuals reach lengths of up to 2.2 meters and can exceed 200 kilograms in body mass. Despite this size, the body remains aerodynamically rounded. The skin is smooth and slightly elastic, reducing drag while swimming. The wings consist of a bird-like skeletal framework supported by powerful musculature, allowing efficient gliding over open oceans as well as forceful ascents into the air. As a fully endothermic organism, Dragoran maintains a high and stable body temperature through a combination of dense subcutaneous fat layers, highly efficient respiration, and sustained muscular activity. The species is equipped with excellent color vision, a sensitive lateral line-like sensory organ that aids orientation underwater, and acute acoustic perception, which is especially effective beneath the surface. Dragoran primarily inhabits subtropical and temperate oceans, but regularly uses coastal regions for foraging and social interaction. It is omnivorous, feeding mainly on large fish and marine invertebrates, while also consuming fruits and coastal plants when available. Highly social in nature, Dragoran forms loose group associations. Communication within these groups relies on complex vocal patterns, expressive body postures, and distinct wing signals. Reproduction occurs in sheltered coastal caves, where the species lays large, hard-shelled eggs. Parental care is well developed and includes both the guarding of the nest and the active feeding of the young. Overall, Dragoran represents a striking example of convergent evolution, combining traits commonly associated with birds and marine mammals while remaining unequivocally Archosaurian. The species illustrates how diverse evolutionary pathways can emerge within a single order. That's it for now. In the next episode, we'll take a closer look at Mewtwo and its surprising connection to Raticate. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and tune in next time.